Hello and welcome, traders. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the pre-market analysis for the Nifty 50 this Monday, using the critical support and resistance levels you see on your screen right now. If you're new here, we focus on data-driven trading plans to help you navigate the markets with more confidence. So, if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and consider subscribing for daily market insights. Today is crucial. The Nifty is balancing on a knife's edge, and we have a clear roadmap provided by these pivot levels. We'll break down exactly what the market is telling us, identify the key battlegrounds for the day, and outline a clear trading strategy for both bullish and bearish scenarios. Let's get straight into it. The big picture or weekly close recap. First, let's look at where we ended last week. The Nifty 50 closed at 25,510.80, down just about 17 points, almost flat. This tells us one thing clearly: there is indecision. The market is pausing right here, catching its breath after the recent move. But look at the buy and sell markers on the chart. We have an immediate resistance or sell zone just below us around 25,492 and a buy level at the same price. This indicates a massive consolidation zone. The battle lines are drawn. The bigger picture shows that we are comfortably above the 25,000 psychological mark, which is a strong foundation. However, to continue the uptrend, we need to conquer some significant resistance overhead. Let's break down those specific levels now. Detailed resistance or support analysis. Alright, this is the core of our analysis. These R&S levels are our treasure map for the day. Starting with resistance. R 1:25 562. This is our immediate and most critical resistance. A sustained move above this level, especially with volume, could trigger a push towards the higher resistances. R2 25,632 or R 3:25 707. These are the next targets if R1 breaks. Think of them as pit stops on the way up. R4 25,787 or R 5:25 862. These are stronger resistance zones where we can expect some profit booking. And the big one, R6 25,947. A close above this level would be extremely bullish and could open the doors to 26,000 and beyond. Now, let's talk support. This is where we look for buying opportunities or where we need to get defensive. S1 25,402. This is our first major support. A break below the Friday's close and this level could signal a short-term bearish shift. This is our first warning sign. S2 25,312 or S 3:25 217. If S1 breaks, these are the next likely targets. 25,200 is also a psychological level, making S3 a very strong support. S4 25,132 or S 5:25 037. A move down here would indicate a deeper correction is underway. And finally, S6 24,942. This would be a significant support zone, and a break below this would change the entire near-term trend to bearish. Trading strategy or plan for Monday. So, how do we trade this? Let's build our plan based on these levels. Scenario 1, bullish outlook. If Nifty trades above 25,562 R8, trigger a consistent move above 25,562 with strong volumes. Trade idea. Look for long positions on a small pullback towards 25,510, 25,530. Targets 25,632, R2, and then 25,707, R3. Stop loss. A close below 25,450. Scenario 2, bearish outlook. If Nifty trades below 25,402 S8, trigger a break and sustained trade below the 25,402 level. Trade idea. Consider short positions or protect long portfolios. Targets 25,312 S2 and then 25,217 S3. Stop loss. A close above 25,470. Scenario 3, RANGEBOUND action between R1 and S1. This is the most likely initial scenario. The market might just chop between 25,400 and 25,560. Strategy. Avoid aggressive trades. You can look to buy near S1 and sell near R1, but keep targets small and strict. The key here is patience. Also, keep a very close eye on Bank Nifty. It often leads the direction for the Nifty. If Bank Nifty is strong, it can pull Nifty above its resistances, and vice versa. Conclusion or disclaimer. So, to summarize for Monday, 1. The trend is neutral, stuck between R1, 25,562, and S1, 25,402. Though, wait for a confirmed break on either side with volume before taking a directional bet. Team, respect these levels, they are your guide. Remember, this is pre-market analysis, not a guaranteed prediction. The market is dynamic. Always use a stop loss and manage your risk. Never trade more than you can afford to lose. That's all for today's analysis. I hope this gives you a clear roadmap for Monday's trading session. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with a fellow trader. What are your levels for Monday? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our daily market updates. Thank you so much for watching.